All right, everybody, triangular prisms number 2. Dun, dun, dun. Labeling all this stuff. So I've got the height of my triangle. The height of my triangle is going to be 6. The base of my triangle is going to be 8. So the height of my triangular base and the base of my triangular base are 6 and 8. This side is also 10. And then the height of my prism is going to be 9. So that's my other H, right? So to find the area of the base, I need to come over to my triangle. Area of the base equals 1/2 6 times 8, or 8 times 6, I probably should have done. So 1/2 6 times 8 is, I think, 24. Let me double check that though. 1/2 times 6 times 8, 24. Absolutely. So area equals 24 inches squared. Remember, area is always square units. Then we've got the height of the prism. So this one was 24 inches squared. We've got the height of the prism. We said that was 9 centimeters. Oh, this is centimeters, not inches. Centimeters. Let's make sure we have good units. Then we've got the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base is that 6 plus 8 plus 10. So P is the distance all the way around that base. 6 plus 8 plus 10, I think, is also 24, but this is going to be centimeters, just centimeters, right? So centimeters, that's linear. That's an invisible exponent of 1. Same as the height, invisible exponent of 1, whereas that base area was centimeters squared. Then we need volume. I'm going to change the color for volume. That's the base. The shape of our base is that triangle. So the area of the base was that 24 centimeters squared. Volume equals the base times the height. In our case, the 24 centimeters squared is the base. And then that height, don't forget, that height is the height of the shape, which is 9 centimeters. That's where, if I'm going to mess up, that's where I'm going to mess up. And then I go back to my calculator. 24 times 9 is going to be 216. 216 centimeters cubed. That's my volume. And we look at lateral area. The lateral area is the height times the perimeter. So for lateral area, the height is 9, and the perimeter we found was 24. So 9 times 24. 9 times 24. Also 216. Oh, wait a minute. Volume was 24 times 9. Oh, that's right, because our area and our perimeter were the same. So that's kind of crazy. That doesn't happen very often. This time, though, because we're talking about area, this is centimeters squared. So the volume is centimeters cubed, and the lateral area is centimeters squared. Once we go on to the surface area, we need to take that lateral area that we got. So for surface area, we're going to do 216 and then the 2 bases. So our base was 24. So we're going to do 2 times 24. And 16 plus 2 times 24 is going to be 216 plus 48, which is going to be 264 centimeters still squared. So I know that is a lot to look at. Let's go see if we can make that look a little prettier. And we're going to click on our orange box. We're going to go to arrange, go to order, bring it all to the front, and let's see if we can compare. So we got our base is 24 centimeters squared. Our height is 9 centimeters. Perimeter is 24 centimeters. Volume over here in the purple is 216 centimeters. You guessed it, cubed. And then lateral area was 216 centimeters squared. So there's a big difference here between cubic things that go inside and square things that go around the edges. And then surface area was the lateral area plus the area of 2 bases, which is going to give us 264. I'm so proud of you. Triangular prisms are the hardest, 100%, hands down. So let's go to pyramids and see if they're any easier. See you in a minute.